Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make chit mitke talasan. To prepare this recipe, firstly wash and take 250 gram of fresh cluster bean. Further chop the top and bottom portion of it and chop them into medium sized pieces. Repeat this for all the cluster bean and keep them separately for further use. Next, take about 8 to 10 garlic pod and crush them with the help of mortar and pestle. Here, since I did not have that, I've used back of a ladle to crush the garlic pods. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into it. Once the oil is hot enough, add half teaspoon of mustard seed and prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, add the previously crushed garlic pod into it. Now saute and cook them until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Add the chopped cluster bean into it and saute and cook this for minimum 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Next, into this add salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can even add 2 to 3 dried red chili instead of adding chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of tamarind pulp. Optionally, you can even add 1 teaspoon of crushed jaggery. Now add 1/4 cup of water and mix everything well and close this with a lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes in low to medium flame. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure it's uniformly cooked. Now your delicious Konkani style cluster bean stir fry is ready. This can be served as a side dish along with rice. So do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.